Welcome back. Sorry I changed my camera. Uh, it was because I just wanted to. Okay, instead of doing both of them at the same time, that one's still wet, so it's sitting over there. Or the genie lamp bottle. I'm just gonna do the one. Make it look like a vase. Um, the colors I'm gonna use is blue, ultramarine blue. I might put a little green in there. White, and Xanadu Gold. Xanadu Gold. Um, the reason why I chose the Xanadu Gold is I'm going to make cracks. Make it look like it has cracks. And then also you're going to need a sponge. This came with a set of things. The big burr brush, after you cleaned it, washed it out. A smaller brush. Water. Paper towels. Your trusty palette. And that's basically pretty much it. That's all you need. Alright, now that this is dried, I turned it back over and over the right way, and I went ahead and added some gesso up here at the top. And by feeling this, you can feel the grid. You can actually hear it. And yeah, it probably is still a little. It depends on this gesso, but got some spots right here that I might need to put some more gesso on it, but I'm not digressing. So I'm going to go and just do what I'm wanting to do. So I'm going to take my ultramarine, that's the blue ultramarine, put a little bit in there. It's a nice, pretty ultramarine blue. It's the basic color most artists use anyway for their blue, is ultramarine. Get my brush wet. Load up my brush and just put it on there. Now, since this is glass, your gesso may run because it's acrylic also. And I may decide to go and use the oil, but I like the acrylic because it's a little faster. Make sure your brush is not really, really wet as bad, and then just paint the whole thing blue. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfectly. You just, because of course you're going to do another coat to get it the blue that you want. And most crafters, you see that they have been adding baking soda to their paint. Well, you can do just uses the gesso. Works just as good. You can do like I just did, or you by paintbrush, or you can just do like another person I saw do. Just take it and put spots on it. And then blend it out. But it's up to you. Whatever you want to do. This is going to be a very beautiful, pretty blue vase. And as you go around it, it will blend out. As I say, you can either do the palette or you can just do the spots on it. And I don't know if I'm going to keep this recording on this or not. Hadn't made up my mind. May do another one. And since I wanted to add the white to it, I'm going to put spots of white up here. This paint is pretty much a crafting paint anyway. It's not artist quality. Well, it's supposed to be artist quality, but not like the really good stuff. It costs a bunch. And yeah, I'm going to want to keep some of the white streaks in it. I think I liked it better, the darker blue. Yeah, I liked it better than the darker blue. And I'm going to darken it back up. And then, of course, with the sponge, I'm just going to do that with it. Give it a little texture. Really nothing to this. I mean, so simple that even a kindergarten person can do it. And then all you got to do now is wait till it dries, and I'll be back in a little bit to finish what I was going to do with it.